Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let mean and the variance of the observation this is this and this. So, this is mean. So, let's crack down mean first. So, mean is what? 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus A plus B divided by 8. Okay, there are 8 elements, so you have to divide by 8, and the mean is 4. Okay, now you can simplify things. This is 32 and we got A plus B. Now look at this, 10, 20, 24. Okay, so A plus B becomes 8. So we got sum of values of A plus B. Now let's jump on to the next idea. Variance is 2. So how we used to find variance? So variance is a sum of square of all the element by n. So it is 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 49 plus a square plus b square by number of elements, that is 8, minus mean square, and the mean is 4, so it is 16. Okay, now you guys can simplify things, and they are saying that variance is 2. Okay, so 2 this side, 16 will come this side, so it will become 18. Okay, so 18 times 8. Now we have to add all the things. So this is 20, this is 45. So we got 45 plus this is 58 plus 9 plus a square plus b square. This thing you have to do. Okay, have patience, 100% you will get things done. Now 64 6. Okay, 144. Now we will have what? 17, 22. So this plus a square plus b square. Now can I say that a square plus b square becomes what? 2, 3, 32. Okay, so we know that sum of two elements is 8. We know that sum of square of two element is 32. Now look at this, how we will do. Like under these kind of situations you should go with hit and trial. Okay, so if you will consider a as 1, it won't help. A is 2, 36, no. Then we'll go with 3, 4, yes. So a equals b equals 4. So we got value of a and b. Okay, this thing you should go with hit and trial, that would be much more convenient. Now we need to find out mean deviation about mode. So mode means what? The highest frequency. Okay, so if it is talking about highest frequency, if you'll observe, a b is 4 and already you are having 4. So how many 4s you got? You got 3 4s. Okay, so the mode becomes 4. Okay, so from every element you have to subtract 4. Okay, So you got mean deviation about mode equals, you have to subtract 4 from everything. So first thing will become 2 plus 1 plus 1, then 0, sorry, 0 plus 1 plus 3, 5 and 7, and then 0 and 0, 0 and 0 upon n is what, 8. Now look at this, we got 4, 5, 8, so 8 by 8 is 1. So you got mean deviation about mode is 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.